Losing a permanent tooth can be overwhelming for both kids and parents. But did you know replacing it early can save your child's smile and confidence? Missing teeth can impact more than appearance. They can make chewing, speaking, and even social interactions harder. Delaying treatment may lead to shifting teeth, jaw discomfort, and weakened bone. But don't worry, there are solutions tailored to your child's needs. Options include orthodontic treatment, like braces, to close gaps naturally, partial dentures for a temporary fix, or dental bridges for functional and aesthetic restoration. For the right candidate, autotransplantation can move a healthy tooth to replace the missing one. Your child's age, dental health, and comfort are key factors in choosing the best approach, and sedation options like laughing gas can make the process stress-free. Give your child the gift of a confident smile. Call Pure Dentistry today to explore your options.